The long journey from the homes we had been forced to leave behind in Farthing Wood was bringing us face to face with many dangers. Toad's instinct was guiding us to the nature reserve at White Deer Park, and when we found a warm, dry barn in which to shelter from the storm, Mrs. Pheasant met her death.
Ah! Run for it!
We're trapped!
Who's the best tunneler?
We're out!
Well done, Mole. When at last we reached the peace and safety of a small copse, poor Pheasant could not get over the loss of his wife. Ada! We've left her behind!
I expect that big farm dog's eaten her by now.
He'd have to be very hungry.
It's my fault.
The burdens of leadership are great indeed.
Oh, well, never mind.
What do you mean, never mind? We can't leave poor Ada behind, especially after what she did.
You mean all that hissing and stuff?
All that hissing and stuff kept that stupid dog quiet while we escaped, remember? It's no good. We've got to go back for her.
Oh.
Go back for her? Personally, I think we should thank our lucky stars and forget all about her. I quite agree. That Ada gives me the willies.
Oh, no. Can't go back to the farm, mate, It's much too far.
The farm? Don't mention that place. My poor wife.
Look, someone's got to go back for her.
What we need is a volunteer.
Popular, isn't she?
How could we forget her?
I'll go.
Who said that?
It was me. I'll go and fetch Ada.
Well, I never.
Pheasant? You're volunteering to go back to the farm for Ada?
It'll give me one last chance to see my wife's final resting place, won't it?
He only wants to make an exhibition of himself, as per usual. It's very brave of him.
Of course, it is brave of you, Pheasant.
When you've faced death, as often as I have, you get used to it. Besides, now that my wife's gone, what is there left to live for?
For goodness sake, Pheasant, if you're going, go.
All right. I know when I'm not wanted. Goodbye.
Good luck, Pheasant.
Yes, good luck.
Oh dear, I'd forgotten pheasants are not very good at flying. We'll be here till Christmas at this rate.
As long as you don't miss your supper.
No chance of that. I'm really looking forward to tasting that pheasant.
Psst. Ada.
Psst! Adder! Psst! Adder!
Vincent! Get out of sight!
I can't see anything. Where are you, Ada?
Never mind you see me. Don't let the farmer see you. Oops.
Farmer?
If that's Pheasant, I'll never forgive myself.
Need another volunteer, Fox?
Al, I'd be grateful if you were a little less critical and a little more helpful.
You want me to help?
You could offer to go back for Ada.
I suppose I could.
So why don't you?
Well, it's almost night, and wings are faster than the fleetest of foot. So, I suppose I might as well volunteer. See you soon.
That bird.
Look, a stranger.
Evening.
Evening.
Mixed bunch, aren't you? Huh? That lot from Farthing Wood, are you?
How'd you know?
Word gets a bite. Especially in the bird world, huh? Especially when there's a fire and shooting, yes. Word gets a bite then, all right.
It's a nice little wood, Rook.
Welcome to stay, if you like.
I say, Fox, that is kind.
Fox, couldn't we stay here?
You mean for good?
It's so dangerous in the world outside, and it seems so safe in this little wood.
Oh, no good here, matey. Oh, ho, ho. Lots of grub in summer, but what'll happen in the winter, eh? Toad's right, you know, here. We've just got to keep on for, White Deer Park. Sorry, Rook and all that.
Dare say we'll survive the disappointment. Tell you what, we like a bit of a sing-song late on. Sends our little uns to sleep. Like to join us?
Oh, yes.
Oh, thank you.
Where are you?
At last. What kept you?
Where's Pheasant?
Roasting for supper. Speaking of which, can I offer you some juicy rat?
Don't mind if I do. Fancy Fox allowing Pheasant to come back for you. Why, he couldn't even fly properly.
I suppose there were lots of volunteers.
Well, one or two. Well, one, anyway.
You'd have known better than to ask.
Fox couldn't lead a pack of hounds.
Even if they were on his scent. Speaking of hounds, suppose something were to happen to him.
Someone else would have to step in to replace him, wouldn't they?
Badger?
That old fool.
One's as bad as the other. Who else is there? Someone renowned for their wisdom.
Where would they be without me?
They're without you now.
Wonder how they're getting on.
This rat's nice.
Nice evening, too. Just right for hunting.
Seems a pity to waste the chance.
Make pleasures and palaces be it ever so humble, there's no place like home. There's no place like
Good thing Pheasant isn't here, or we'd all be drowned in tears.
Something more cheerful. I know one. It's called Toad Went A-Courtin'.
Now it's my turn. I want to do a solo. Half a pound of toppenny rice, half a pound of treacle. That's the way the money goes. Round goes the ways on. Did I hear someone calling for an encore?
No.
Oh, well, if you insist. Half a pound of
No, my turn, mate, is.
toppenny rice.
What's happening? Has Weasel finished?
Oh, yes. Toad is singing now. The old mouse was not at home.
Badger, Owl's been a very long time. Do you think she's all right?
Ought to be. She is a night creature, like me. Poor old fox. May as well get some sleep, Fox. I'll keep guard.
Thanks, Badger. But I don't think I could sleep.
Know what you mean. Even a dormouse couldn't sleep after Weasel singing.
I'm too worried about Owl and Adder. They could be in trouble.
Don't go too far now. Look! There's Owl!
What? Where's Adder?
Where you been? We were worried about you, mateys.
Sorry we were so long, but I had to sleep off a good supper first.
Heaven knows what she's eaten. I knew we should have left her behind.
What happened to Pheasant?
You need me to tell you?
I knew it. Poor Pheasant. And I was so unkind to him.
Now he's got something to cry about.
That's just it. He'll never cry anymore.
Don't you start. I should never have let him go.
True.
Well, at least you're here, Adder. So I suppose we'd better be getting on our way.
Don't panic! Don't panic!
Keep still! Every time you move, the noose will get tighter.
What can we do?
Panic! And what does our leader say we should do?
Yes, Fox. What are we going to do?
Oh, dear.
Could we chew through the rope?
We could try. Ah, it's wire.
Any fool could see that.
Oh, my baby! My baby!
Keep still, Rabbit! And let me think.
Think? If you'd thought to check the area for snares before letting the other animals loose, this would never have happened.
If you're so clever, Owl, you think of a way to free the rabbit.
Very well, if you insist.
Shh, shh. What's she doing?
Thinking.
Don't panic!
You're attacking the wrong part of the trap. Mole, start digging under the post.
All right, Owl.
Oh, thank you, Owl. Thank you, Mole. Thank you.
A moment's thought can save a lifetime's misery.
You're a wise old bird. I'll give you that.
Oh, oh, think nothing of it.
How's that baby rabbit doing?
He's going to have such a sore throat. Poor little thing.
Do you remember that time my throat was so sore I couldn't speak at all?
Yes, dear. It was lovely.
Well, Rook, it's time to go.
Good luck. Hard luck.
Goodbye, Rooks.
Goodbye. Junior!
What lies ahead, Toady? Can you remember? Well, there's more farms.
We'd better skirt right round them.
Then there's some meadows, and then there's a river.
A river?
Yes.
Is it very wide?
Oh, dear. Don't worry. You just leave it to me, mateys. I'll Scooby get across all right.
Toad's such an optimist, isn't he?
What can you see, Kestrel?
Water! A wide river just ahead.
Wide, Toady? Well, all right, it's wide, but the current's very slow. I'm sure this is it. There's a hole in the bank here, just like I hid in last time.
You're right, Toad. The water here seems hardly to be moving.
It looks a long way to the other bank.
Don't worry.
Oh.
Once Toad has crossed, we'll all go into the water together, right? Good luck, Toad.
Here we go.
Show off.
I've made it! Hey, come on in! The water's wonderful!
Line up along the bank, everyone, and let's all go together. Good luck!
Good luck.
Get a move on, Rabbit.
I don't like water.
Come on! The water's fine!
Oh, it's cold.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, Mole! Come on, Hedgehog! You're doing fine! Come on! Come on! You're nearly halfway across. I can see you, Squirrel. Come on, Mole! Come on, Adder!
That toad's sickening enthusiasm is beginning to get on my nerves.
Huh? What's up? Something's wrong. Where's Fox? Where are the rabbits?
Oh, something's gone wrong over there.
Rabbits! What are you doing?
Panicking!
I can't see what's happening.
The rabbits are panicking and swimming round in circles in the middle of the river.
God, those rabbits. Even with one, your problems are multiplied. Fox, do you need any help?
Help! Help! Save
Leave me!
Stop going round in circles. Swim straight in front of you.
Take me too, Fox.
No! Stop it! No!
Save us, Fox. Take me too.
Stop it! Stop!
Badger, that massive debris, it's going to hit Fox and the rabbits, and it will kill them!
Oh, no. Quickly, my friends. They're in danger. We must save them. Each of you must rescue a rabbit. I'll take care of Fox. Oh, shut up, rabbit. Swim that way.
Which way?
That way.
Oh, that way. This way, please, rabbit.
Hang on, Fox. I'm coming.
It's no good, Badger. I'm done for. Save yourself. Go on. Go back to the others. They'll need you.
I'm not leaving you, my dear friend.
Can anyone see them?
Fox is caught in the tree trunks.
Come on, perhaps they're still alive.
I'll keep an eye on the debris. Follow me as fast as you can.
Well, what are you waiting for? Come on! Can you see anything, Kestrel?
The tree trunks are caught at the top of the waterfall, but there's no sign of Badger or Fox.
Are you sure, Kestrel?
I'm afraid we'll have to accept that Badger and Fox are dead.
Oh, wait. Look.